Hello, it's April and welcome to my toy world. Today we're here with some fun Safari Ltd ocean animals to open up. We have the Safari Ltd Sharks Tube and the Safari Ltd Deep Sea Creatures Tube to open up today. And we have an ocean diorama set up here. We've got a sandy beach with some rocks and trees on the shore. And we have our little tray here for some ocean slime. We'll go ahead and put the slime in there and we'll sprinkle some more blue pluffle around the outside for more ocean. Let's start by adding our deep goo sea slime to our ocean tray. Here is our sparkly slime. Now we'll spread it all out and mix it up. Our slime looks so pretty and sparkly here. We can pinch up some of the slime to make waves in our sea. There we go. Now let's sprinkle some pluffle around the outside for more ocean. This blue pluffle is a little bit sparkly. You can see some of the sparkles in there. It's very pretty. And this will be perfect for our ocean habitat. Okay, so there is our ocean all ready to go. Let's go ahead and get started with the Sharks Tube. Here is our Sharks Tube, and you can see all the different varieties of sharks in this tube. So we have our first shark here. This is a blue shark. It looks a little bit gray, but it's also a little bit blue, you can see. So a blue shark. We'll have this swim right down here into our pluffle. Next we have a whale shark. You can see the different markings on it and its big wide mouth here. This is a whale shark. We'll have this one swim here too. Next we have a great white shark. Look at the gills on the side of its body as well as all of its fins and its sharp teeth. I'll have that swim over here. Next we have a tiger shark. This long pointy fin here. Tail fin. Okay, put that right here. This is an interesting shark called a thresher shark. This is really interesting. Look at this long tail fin here. A thresher shark. We'll put that right here. And next we have a hammerhead shark with its head shaped like a hammer and the eyes on the side of the hammerhead. Also has a lot of fins all around. This is a hammerhead. Have that one swim right here. We have a lot of sharks in our ocean here. Next we have a leopard shark. This one has stripes on it. Looks like maybe some spots too. A leopard shark. So this is a leopard shark. See, this one can swim over here. Here we have something that's a little different than a shark. This is a spotted eagle ray. You can kind of see the spots there raised up on its body as well as its eyes there. So a spotted eagle ray. Let's go ahead and put this one in our slime. Here we have another shark called a mako shark. This, a mako shark. Go ahead and put this one in our slime as well. It looks like its tail is coming out of the water there. And then our last shark is a gray reef shark. So this is a gray reef shark. Swim right over here. Okay, so we have a lot of sharks in our ocean. Now let's go ahead and look at our next tube, our Deep Sea Creatures Tube. So here we'll have some really interesting sea creatures that live in the deep part of the sea. These look very interesting. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and open up this tube and we'll check out our deep sea creatures. Okay, so we have our deep sea ocean creatures here, and these creatures look very different because they are made to live in the deep part of the ocean that has hardly any light. So they are creatures adapted to living where there's not very much light. It's very, very dark. The water is also very cold. So our first creature is called a gulper eel. Look at its big mouth there. Its eyes are on the top and it's got a very long tail here. Looks like a red tip on the end. A gulper eel. So this is our gulper eel. We'll go ahead and put this in our slime and pretend it's part of the deep sea. A gulper eel. Next we have this interesting creature. It almost looks like a very big pill bug or a potato bug, like a roly-poly bug, but this one lives in the deep ocean. This is called a giant isopod. Look at how many legs it has. It looks like it can roll up. I don't know if it does, but it looks a lot like a potato bug or a roly-poly bug. A giant isopod. Let's see, we'll have this walk right over here into our slime. Next, we have a giant squid here. Look at this, interesting giant squid. Looks really neat. I think this will also look really fun in our slime. Kind of clear, sort of like our slime is. And then we have this fish here, an anglerfish. Look at this, it's a light hanging off the top of its head here. It has very sharp teeth, it looks like. So an anglerfish. This looks like such a unique sea creature. Wow. Okay, we'll go ahead and put that one over here. Next, we have another interesting fish here. Wow, this is neat and silvery. This is called a hatchet fish. It also has some very big teeth here. A hatchet fish. It's so unique. I think deep sea creatures are really fascinating. Let's have this one swim right here. We have 2 deep sea creatures left. This is another fish with very sharp teeth. This is called a viper fish. Let's see, it's very sharp teeth. They almost look like fangs or something. And its scales here. So a viper fish. That's interesting. Put that one right here. And our last fish is called a dragonfish. Another deep sea creature. A dragonfish. It does look a little bit like a dragon with its spiny tail here that moves along. It also seems to have pretty sharp teeth, a lot of teeth there. Its tail here. This would be a very interesting creature to come across in the deep sea. We will swim our dragonfish right down here. So those are all of the sea creatures that we opened up today. We have a nice collection of sharks here and some really interesting deep sea creatures in our slime. We can move them around to swim in our slimy sea. There's our squid swimming along, jumping out of the slime. Our dragon fish here. Such interesting sea creatures. Let's go ahead now and take a close-up look at all of the ocean creatures that we opened up today. So that was our ocean diorama with sharks and deep sea creatures. I hope you enjoyed taking a look at all of these really interesting ocean animals today. And I hope everyone is having a great day. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll talk to you later. Goodbye.